Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a bucket field in Salesforce reports. So first we're going to go to our browser and log into our Salesforce account. Then once you guys are here, we're going to go to our app launcher, found at the top left corner. Then we're going to search for reports. Then once we find it, we're going to click on it. So these are the list of reports we have. We're going to click on it. Then again, we're going to click on edit, found at the right corner. So here under company or account section, there's the drop down section. We're going to click on that button. So as you can see, there's the bucket, this column and option. We're going to click on it. So here we're going to write the bucket name. So bucketing is very important for file recognition. Then after you set the bucket name, we're going to add bucket. We're going to add two buckets and we're going to name them as validity 1 and validity 2. Then now all you have to do is go to the unbucketed values, select them as much as you want. Then we're going to click on move to, then click on validity 1 or validity 2. So we inserted it to validity 2. Again, we're going to go to the unbucketed values, select them and click on validity 1. So as you can see, we bucketed them all. So this is how you do it. It's a very simple step. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.